That's where the ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 scanner comes in. In today's video, we'll take a quick look at what this scanner can do, its pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying for everyday drivers and DIY mechanics. So, let's dive in. Product features. The ANCEL AD410 is a compact and easy-to-use OBD2 scanner designed mainly to diagnose engine-related issues. First, it offers wide compatibility. This scanner works with almost all OBD2 vehicles from 1996 and newer, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks from the US, Europe, and Asia. Another great feature is its ability to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes. It can quickly detect stored codes, pending codes, and display detailed code definitions. In fact, it includes over 42,000 built-in DTC definitions, so you don't have to search online to understand the problem. The device doesn't need batteries. It powers directly from your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the steering wheel. Just plug it in, turn the ignition on, and you're ready to scan your vehicle. Pros and cons. Let's quickly look at the pros and cons. Pros: works with most vehicles from 1996 and newer, reads and clears engine fault codes quickly, over 42,000 built-in DTC definitions, bright 2.4-inch color display, no batteries required, simple plug-and-play design. Cons: only diagnoses engine-related issues. It does not support ABS, airbags, or transmission systems. Software updates require a Windows computer. Overall review. Overall, the ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 scanner is a solid budget diagnostic tool. It's not designed for professional mechanics who need full system diagnostics, but for car overs, beginners, and DIY enthusiasts, it's extremely useful. If you want a simple tool that can read check engine codes, clear them, and help you understand what's happening with your car, this scanner does the job very well. Considering its features and ease of use, it's definitely a great value for the price. If you want to check out the ANCEL AD410 OBD2 scanner, I've left the product link down in the description below.